What's up guys, welcome to another installation video. This one I have is going to be one of the most simple installs that you can do on your WRX VB. Introducing our new weather shields for the WRX. A lot of people have been asking for these, so now they're finally available. This should probably take you at home probably 10 to 15 minutes. It's super easy to do. They come in four parts, so we'll go window by window. Let's get to it. First things first, we're gonna start by cleaning this rubber trim here so that the adhesive sticks nice and easy. So I just hit it with a bit of water. Now at home, if you guys have alcohol wipes, I recommend doing that to get rid of any of the impurities. We've already done alcohol wipe on this car, so I'm just giving it a good clean and make sure that one's nice and dry before we apply the weather shield. The front weather shield, so the longer ones go at the front and those ones, the shorter ones, go on the rear. Now with all new parts, and this goes with anything, I recommend just doing a test fit before you actually apply it. So before you go ahead and remove all the double-sided tape that's on the back, I would say just take it out of the package real quick. Put it here up against the glass. So there is a notch that it will sit into. One right there as well. So look, perfect fitment all the way around. And now I'll show you guys a good trick on how to really install these. Let's take off the double-sided tape. These smaller ones, I'll just take off the whole thing. And then as you can see here, there will be, I think, 4 separate sections. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the long one. Those 3 shorter ones, I'm just gonna remove it all. Now with the longer one, a little trick you may have seen us do in the past is not to remove the entire thing, because sometimes repositioning is required. So we'll just peel a little bit of the side here and wrap it over the front. Same with the rear. The reason we do it at both ends is because if it gets stuck in the middle, at least we have another piece of 3M tape to pull from, and then we can get that one out. Alrighty. Alright, so now that's all ready. If you want to come over here with me, you'll see that there's this small notch that's on the weather shield. That one lines up perfectly to this gap here, or this sort of ridge here. So all you have to do is line that up. I like to make sure that it is perfectly in line with the top of the plastic trim, and I'll just push that one down. Once that one is stuck and held into place, I'll move into the front. And because you have still got a bit of play, you can move it to where you want to. Again, line it with the top of the bezel, push down. All right, now we have 2 sides that are stuck there. Now we go back to this little trick here. As I pull, I just push in, pull and push in. And as you can see, with any sort of plastic, there might be some wiggle room. So as I pull the 3M tape out, I'll push up and stick. Pull up and stick. Pull up and stick. Just like that, nice and easy. Like that, and like that. Like that. There we go. Make sure all the 3M tape is stuck down. Now I just make sure that there's no lift across the entire weather shield. There we go, that's one side done. Again, one of the easiest installs we'll ever do on this channel. Last one, same thing. On the rear, this time we have 2 small parts, 1 long part. So we'll just repeat that process, remove the shorter parts, keep the longer one, and those. There we go, and peel that one back as well. So exact same thing. If you want to come over here, there is another ridge for the rear, which sits right in that channel there. And I will just push that one down, and then same with the bottom here. So it aligns perfectly with this trim here. Bang, so that one is aligned. Now I'll move here to the back, make sure that 3M piece is sticking out so I have leverage. Get it right up against that trimming piece, and then stick down again. And rinse and repeat. So again, pushing up as I go along, that. And again, we didn't get stuck, which is great. Bang. Simple as that. Yep, and all the 3M tape is stuck down nicely. Now you have a really nice, sleek weather shield design on one side. So you can wind down the window when it's raining, get some fresh air, or if you're a smoker, you can wind down the window while you're having a dart in the car. So we'll move on to the next side and we'll show you the final result. We'll jump to B-roll. And there you have it, the easiest installation that we've done on this channel ever. The new weather shields for the WRX VB, like I said, they're available online now, so if you love the look of these, go shop.